Hi there, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're not new here. My name is Gina and today I have a bag unboxing. So if you are a subscriber and you follow my community post tab, you would have seen me post this as soon as I saw it. It is a new Coach bag and I won't belabor this. It is the Swing Tote in this beautiful woven leather. This actually popped up on the Coach outlet a couple of weeks ago. It's been a while. I've actually held off. I haven't had a chance to film this video, so I haven't gotten to use her, but it's okay because it's been raining in LA and I wouldn't have taken her out in the rain anyway. But yeah, so this bag is called the Woven Swing Tote bag, okay? And it's very similar to the Swing Tote, the zip up one, the very classic reissue one, except it's a little bit bigger, but it has similar straps. So I wanted to just like properly fully unwrap her today on this video, and then you can get my honest first impressions. This bag, I got it in the black and it came in two colors, in the maple and the black. And I have a woven like kind of French market bag, that I got from, I think it's called Fake Creations. I believe that's what her shop name is. I got it while she was still on Etsy, but since she has gotten her own website and all of that, her business is growing. So I love that bag so much. And it's been in my rotation for quite a while. Okay, straps are undone. And yeah, so I know I love leather woven bags, but I like the more ones that will get a little slouchy and a little bit more casual. So when I saw this one come out, I think it was this spring or summer, I fell in love with this bag immediately, but I was thinking that I might want a different style of woven bag. So I looked at a couple of Dragon Diffusion and a few others. And this one just kind of stayed in my mind. This though was, okay, it does come with its little dust bag. This one was $500, I think, $495 when it first came out, and I just felt that was way too expensive. I think I got my woven bag, my brown one from Fake Creations, for under $200 for sure, maybe under $150. And so I really was like, I'm not paying $500 for a woven bag that isn't lined or anything. Also, sorry if the lighting is a little weird. I think a lot of clouds are going by, so it's gonna be a little fluctuating, but here we go. Okay, bag is fully unwrapped. So you'll see this bag is completely unlined. You can see the woven stitching inside, no pockets or anything. There is this one magnetic closure. And I've watched so many TikToks and YouTube videos about this bag. So it's been on my mind for quite a while. It's been in my wish list on the Index app for a while too. So when I saw it hit the outlet for, I think it was 40% off, I was like, I'm absolutely gonna get it. I know I'm gonna love this bag. So yep, I scooped it up and you can see here, yeah, it was $495 originally. Which I honestly think is way too expensive for this bag. I do understand that the weaving, weaving together this leather, is all hand done. And I do love how very uniform the weave is, which is quite lovely. But I still just felt it was way too steep for me. There's a couple of tags here. Oh, and I missed some wrapping. Okay, the Coach hang tag is there and a little charm. I'm gonna take these tags off and tell you what they say. I haven't even read them yet. So this one says, this Coach bag has some pretty cool touches like leather pieces woven by hand, crafted to last. It celebrates our love for the charm of handmade things. That's very sweet. Okay, and then it's in French and Japanese and Chinese, multiple languages, very nice. All right, so here she is completely unwrapped. And this is a little sea charm, which I might take off of the bag, although that is quite pretty. And then it has the Coach hang tag, which is a classic feature. This is not a reissue bag like the Swing Zip, and it's also a little bit different from the Swing Zip. So I actually have my Swing Zip. This is the one I got in the olive for my birthday. I have it to show a side-by-side. And you can see that this is quite a bit bigger. It's both taller, and then it's also a little bit longer, like lengthwise, and wider as well. So it definitely will hold a bit more than the classic Swing Zip. And it also will hold more because it doesn't zip to close. And I think the strap drop though is pretty similar. The buckles are definitely bigger. Yeah, the strap drop is pretty close. And it is adjustable. There's 3 adjustment options. The buckles are a little bit bigger than the Swing Zip Tote. And then the last thing is that it's gonna hold a whole lot more. just a whole lot more. It's also less structured and I expect it to soften over time. So yeah, it's gonna be able to like hold a bit more than that one, which I'm really glad because I love this bag, but it's more of an essentials bag. I can't fit like my Kindle in here. Maybe I can fit it in there, but I have to like sacrifice on other things. So this one, I think I'd be able to fit my makeup. I'll be able to fit my Kindle, a book, like quite a bit more. And I really like to have these kinds of tote bags that are open. These be like my throw everything in kind of bags. So I'm really liking that. I also think the construction of this is really nice. Like I can see that the straps are reinforced right here. So that gives it a little bit more stability, I think, with the woven, because the woven does tend to be softer and more supple. The bottom is very slouchy, no feet or anything. So that's probably gonna sag a bit once I start putting things in there. Like you can kind of see it sagging already, which I don't mind because I do want this to be a more relaxed style. And yeah, I think it's a really beautiful bag. I'm not disappointed at all. The leather smells wonderful, very, very nice. I usually try to condition my bags when I get them, but I probably won't condition this because it is woven leather and I don't want to soften it up too fast. I want like the natural wear of my things to soften it. So I won't be conditioning it right away, and it feels pretty supple right now already. Maybe I'll do the straps though, because these do feel a little bit more firm, and I think this is glove tan leather on the strap. So this is the bag. Let me do my typical head size comparison. Okay, that's about what it looks like. I really love it. I love the black with the brass. I think it's really, really pretty. I think I'm gonna wear this today now that it finally stopped raining, and get some outfit shots with it. As far as like wearing woven leather bags, I know some people think of them more as like a summer or spring bag. I don't. I would wear this all year round. I think that the texture adds a really nice like texture, a little more dimension to an outfit. So I really love woven leather for that reason. And yeah, I just think that black is easy. You know, I have my brown one. I love that one so much, and now I have a black version I'm really, really pumped about. So anyway, this is my first impressions of this bag. If you have any questions, let me know. I think because it was on the outlet, it's probably gonna be harder to find this bag now. They're probably phasing it out at least until next year, or I don't know if they'll bring it back. But you can find it still on like the Dillard's website and a couple of other third-party sellers. So yeah, I'll definitely keep posting. Like subscribe if you're not already, if you wanna find like deals and all of that. I usually post the things that I've purchased or I'm planning on purchasing in my community tab. So yeah, you can always catch a good deal over there. That's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.